This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 150,250 megaliters is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, Slideout, spare tire kit, refrigerator, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, external shower, LP detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 150,250 megaliters is 8,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.